That little tree. This side of the canal too, I believe. What do you surely shoot the ones 10 foot off the ground? Another crunch and munch, man. Here in front, Dad. Oh, you, Dad. We got a bunch on that tree line. On this side, a whole shit. We got 4 or 5 birds over there. Yeah, yeah. Oh yeah? Okay, be ready, guys. Okay. Alright. Might be more than one too, fellas. Get him, Dad! The dog was pretty far away. It doesn't matter, we did a good job, Dad. Attaboy! Bring it here, Titan. Well done, brother. The second time he got up, it was a little easier shot. A little higher up off the dog and such. The last time I was here, we killed 2 birds over there under that same tree. Oh yeah, that tree's popular as heck for some reason. Oh, it's right here, it's a pheasant. Good shooting, Dad. Nope, just you. Alright, I'll stay right here while you can advance, Mike. It's a nice walk right to it. Be ready though, that dog's right by him. He's right on top of him. It might be in the tree, that's what he's acting like. Oh, it's on this side. There it is. There it goes, Mike. Yeah, it's still going. Worth a try. Wow. Like crunch and munch, man. Nice shot, Mike. Excellent shot. I see it. Yeah. I'm hoping it goes by my dad. Did he run by it? Okay, I'll walk towards it. Maybe it'll go up by my dad. Oh, jumped right over his head. That... Oh yeah, we got two in here. Okay. There's two coming at me right here. I got two right here in front of me. Between me and the dog. Alright, I'm coming up on this one. Both, two, right here. Three! One coming at you, Dad. Right in front of you. Obviously. There's two together. Dad, you want to slip up on them or you want me to walk that way? What? They're going to get away from you. They keep going further and further. Yeah, they're getting pretty far ahead of you now, Dad. Yeah, I got one right here. They're both up here. Okay. Between me and you, Dad. Somewhere in there. Yeah, we'll get the one we got right now. Obviously. He's going to bump this one on the way in. Nah. We'll close in on it. Maybe it won't run. Nope. Heading up the road. Oh, that little bugger's going to be 100 yards away. Here's one here, just jumped up on my feet. He's right there, getting ready to cross to the other side. Boy, he's a little running thing, ain't he? He's got some wheels. dead right. There he goes. Oh, nope. Yep. I think he's on him. Oh. That thing's a little bugger, isn't he?